Hello, in this HTML crash course video, we're going to cover description lists. When you see the code or when you see the output of the code, you will think they look very similar to tables, and that's probably the best way to think of them. They're very similar to tables. They essentially allow you to provide a title and provide some sort of data, some information about that title, and it's automatically indented. There isn't much more to it than that, so without further ado, let's get started. And to create a description list, you put a DL tag, so let's close that off as well. Inside here, you need to put a title, which is DT, and then in here you put some information, so I'm just going to put Batman, and then you put the actual data, so I'm going to put DD, which is the description data, and in here I'm just going to put is a superhero, and what I'm going to do is copy and paste this because that is the general format: DT, DD, DT, DD, DT, DD. I can imagine if I kept saying that DT, DD, DT, DD for quite a while, you'd probably start sounding really weird, or at least in my head. So Brainiac is a super villain. And now that's it. We're ready to run our awesome application. So there we go. We have a table-like structure. We have some sort of title, then some sort of description. We haven't indented it explicitly. It's automatically indented within Batman and within Brainiac. Combined with some CSS styling, this could look really, really cool on your website. If you have, any questions, because this is the end of the video, pretty much, feel free to post them on our education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk. There will be a link in the description to the source code from this video and the source code from every other video in this series. If you liked the video, please let us know. If you didn't, please let us know as well, so we can improve our videos for the future. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.